Okay, so what if I told you that the best anti-aging secrets from a top plastic surgeon in Gangnam have nothing to do with lasers or needles? No, seriously, his biggest secrets? They're just sitting on the shelves of your local drugstore. Let's get into his super simple but crazy effective advice.
I know. It sounds a little too good to be true, doesn't it? We're all conditioned to think that getting serious results means you have to go for serious, expensive procedures. But the expert we're talking about today, well, he argues that the real power to fight aging isn't in some fancy clinic, but in what you do every single day.
And right here, this is the heart of his entire philosophy. This is from Dr. Lee Jae-woon, a guy who literally performs surgeries for a living. And he's the one insisting that what you do at home matters more. He's totally convinced that consistent care is the real foundation for youthful skin. So let's break down the exact affordable routine he swears by.
First things first, we gotta talk about the cleanse. Dr. Lee says this is step 1, and it's the critical step that so many of us get wrong. You see, using the right cleanser for your skin type, well, that sets the stage for everything else you put on your face to actually work.
So, which one is for you? Well, if your skin is on the dry or sensitive side, he points to the Estura Bubble Cleanser. It's pH balanced, which means it cleans really gently without giving you that tight, stripped feeling. But if you're battling oiliness or breakouts, his clinic staff loves the Stridex BHA Cleanser. The secret weapon here is salicylic acid, which is awesome because it doesn't just clean the surface, it actually gets down deep into your pores to dissolve oil.
Okay, next up is step 2, the powerhouse serums. Think of this as the treatment step. This is where you bring in the heavy hitters to target your specific goals, whether that's tackling dryness that's making fine lines look worse, or, fighting that loss of firmness we all worry about.
For just pure, intense hydration, Dr. Lee is a big fan of the Torridon Dive-In Serum. He calls it a moisture bomb, which I love because its hyaluronic acid molecules are super tiny, so they can sink in deeper for way better hydration. Now, if wrinkles and elasticity are your main fight, he recommends the IOP Retinol Serum. It's famous for being really effective but also low irritation, which explains why it's a #1 seller. But, and this is a big but, using retinol comes with some very, very important rules.
Listen, you have to follow these rules if you want those amazing retinol benefits without all the irritation. Rule 1, only use it at night. Rule 2, start slow, like once or twice a week, to let your skin get used to it. Always patch test it on your arm first. Make sure you follow up with a really good moisturizer. And this last one is absolutely non-negotiable. You must wear a high SPF sunscreen the next day, no excuses. All right, so you've cleansed, you've treated your skin. Now for the final daily steps. This is all about sealing in all that good work with a great moisturizer and, most importantly, protecting your skin from its absolute #1 enemy.
Okay, we've got 2 fantastic creams here that do slightly different things. For your daily driver, Dr. Lee loves the Astura Atoll Barrier Cream. It's packed with the perfect mix of ingredients, ceramide, cholesterol, and fatty acids that literally rebuild your skin's protective barrier. But for those days when your skin is just freaking out, or maybe it's recovering from a treatment, he calls the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm an SOS cream. It's full of healing stuff like panthenol and maticoside. But you know what? None of this really matters. Not the cleansers, not the serums, not even those amazing creams, if you skip the single most important, most critical anti-aging product you can possibly buy.
Just take a look at this number. 90%. What in the world could that possibly be?
That's right. A staggering 90% of the visible signs of skin aging, we're talking wrinkles, spots, everything, is caused by the sun. That means your most powerful, your most effective, your most essential anti-aging cream is and always will be sunscreen.
So which one does he love? Dr. Lee's personal pick is this one from La Roche-Posay. It's got top-tier SPF 50+ protection plus the highest UVA rating you can get, PA 4+, which is absolutely crucial for preventing that deep-down skin aging. The texture is amazing, super lightweight, no shine. It even has soothing thermal water for sensitive skin and gives you this nice subtle brightening effect. In fact, his wife apparently loves it for when she's just running quick errands.
So that's the daily routine. But what about those days when your skin is just not having it? You know the ones. For that, Dr. Lee has a secret weapon for targeted emergency care.
He recommends these legendary MediHeal sheet masks. They're amazing. If you're breaking out, you grab the tea tree one to calm that inflammation down fast. If your skin is just red and irritated, the meticulous mask is your best friend. Meticulous, by the way, is just this powerful healing compound from the centella plant.
Think of these masks as an affordable, super effective quick fix. And this really brings us all the way back to his main point. You can go out and spend a fortune on fancy treatments, but if you're not backing up that investment with solid daily care at home, those results just aren't going to stick around.
So let's just put it all together one more time. Here it is, the simple, powerful 4-step routine. 1. Cleanse for your skin type. 2. Treat with a targeted serum. 3. Moisturize to lock it all in. And 4. Every single morning, protect with sunscreen. That's it. That is the whole secret.
In the end, this isn't about finding some miracle product or a super expensive procedure. Like Dr. Lee says, the only real shortcut is just being consistent, doing the right things day in and day out. That's what's going to save your skin.
After walking through this, the path to better skin suddenly seems a whole lot clearer, right? It's not about doing a massive overhaul overnight. It's just about taking that first, simple, consistent step. So what's yours going to be?